The Arctic looks frozen, silent, untouched. But behind this ice, a military buildup is quietly unfolding. The United Kingdom has launched Operation Firecrest, deploying warships, submarines, and stealth fighter jets into the Arctic Circle. Why does this matter? Because the Arctic is no longer just ice. As global temperatures rise, new shipping routes are opening, cutting trade time between continents. Beneath the ice lie massive reserves of oil, natural gas, and rare minerals. And that changes everything. In recent years, Russia has expanded its Arctic military bases, upgraded airfields, and increased naval patrols. In response, the UK is operating alongside allies in NATO, including the United States and Canada, emphasizing deterrence and collective security. Both sides say their actions are defensive. But history shows that when global powers increase military presence in strategic regions, tensions follow. The Arctic is becoming more accessible, more valuable. Analysts warn that even a small miscalculation in this fragile region could escalate quickly. So the question is not whether the Arctic matters. The real question is this preparation for stability or the beginning of a new Cold War in the North? Because what happens in the Arctic won't stay in the